In this video, I will explain the bevel tool on how to use the bevel. So I have two cubes here. So this bevel modifier or a bevel tool that is in Maya the words, and it's called as chamfer words. So let's see what this bevel can do in a cube. So I have two cubes here, but when I get to the subdivision mode or smooth preview mode, you can see that it smooths out too much like a spear. The thing is, it's not holding the cube because it doesn't have any supportive edges. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to select all the edges like that and hit Ctrl B for bevel. Or you can get to mesh, edit mesh, and use the bevel tool, which is Ctrl B. When you select all the edges, shift right click and you can see the bevel edge option here. I'm going to hit the bevel edge and you can see that it's pretty much holding the shape and added some supportive edges. So I'm going to decrease the fraction so to make it look like a cube. You can see there are a few triangles here. You can solve that by switching off the chamfer. So when you switch off the chamfer, that will be gone. It will not damage the shape or use anything. You can add in a few segments to make it even more better, or a sharp edge, or you can leave it alone. So that is the main thing about bevel. You can add supportive edges using bevel and it will look pretty much good in. So let's see what it does when you hit 3 on the keyboard, which is the smooth preview, and you can see that it's pretty much holding. These are the difference between the beveled one and one that is not beveled. This bevel is a very good tool to add some supportive edges and make your mesh look pretty much like a fillet, a chamfer, or a bevel, the edge. So that's what this bevel tool is about. I hope you liked this video. Give a like, share and subscribe. I will meet you in another video. Thank you.